Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel at Make Money Audit and MakeMoneyAudit.com. And today's video, we're going to do an audit on Mr. Shane Hummus on his fastest Claude AI side hustle to your first $1,000. So I went ahead and did an audit on this, and it came back as a D. Okay. One thing I want to point in here is Shane claims uses his brother who went from zero to a full-time income on YouTube in 29 days. He had one video that went viral, and this is the second video that Shane has referenced him again, just remapping the whole video. So okay, so he went viral in 29 days. The problem, YouTube won't pay a new channel in 29 days. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and AdSense. You don't have the time. There's no way it's gonna happen in 29 days. Okay. So we're gonna play the video a little bit here, and then we'll get back in some more comments.
So by the end of this video, you're going to know the fastest Claude AI side hustle to your first $1,000. And it is not the one being shoved down your throat right now. It's not freelancing. It's not selling prompts. It's not building the next AI app. And it's definitely not building some complicated automation. It's becoming the person who actually implements AI into something that's already working. But
Okay. So here's the key. The video, when you watch it, it's about his brother is a like electrician or some type of service guy. So basically, he just videoed him doing his work. Okay. So, you know, it gets a grade D, and I'll bring up the website and you'll see it. There it is. AI niche YouTube comment D, risky, significant red flags. And we'll go back into the video here again. I wanted you to see that. So there's just no way in 29 days, unless you have, again, the unicorn running through the woods, or you're going to go viral in 29 days. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay. He claims, okay. He says the fastest Claude AI side hustle to $1,000. His brother Zach, who is 50 years old, not tech savvy, I guess apparently doesn't know anything about computers or technology, made $214 in 29 days, 18,000 reckoned month. And one of his Clara subs, okay, well, that's probably another lady who has, oh yeah. There's this other lady who Clara, she's what is it, a nurse Gen 2 videos, 500,000 views, full-time income. And he's claiming he's made $10 million on a community, and 100 million. I don't know where he's getting 100 million from. There's no proven or background information to confirm that he's made that amount of money. It's just what he shows. Now, one of these channels you can check. Yeah, try pulling them up. I tried, I couldn't find them. Maybe it was just me. Well, I know, I take it back. I found Nurse Jen, and she does have the views, but I don't know what she's doing. I didn't, go that deep into the video. Okay. So here's what kills her in the math kill. Monetization gate, 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours. Realistically, you're going to get that 16 to 18 months as a beginner, because YouTube's algorithm doesn't start picking you up until you start making at least 10 videos, if that. I think you need way more than that for the algorithm starts getting you. Okay. The AdSense pays a few dollars per 1,000 views. Yep, we know that. You need 100,000. Okay, let me see. So you need hundreds of thousands of views a month for a full time, which in 29 days on an old channel it doesn't happen. Affiliate and coaches income is needed to an audience to trust 12 to 24 months. Yep. It's just no way. We'll listen to the video a little bit more, and then I'll go back over to the website.
but only in a very specific way. Now, I've seen these trends happen again and again. I've made over $10 million myself, and my community members have made over
Okay, so he does show that he's, making that, but I guess his community members, I really don't know what these people are creating and what they're doing. But overall, the premises on why this video got a D is the time frame is just unrealistic.
$100 million, and I've seen this happen over and over again. Whenever the newest technology comes out, there's a playbook that works time and time again. And this is a playbook that dates back hundreds of years, and my community members have used it over and over again to make their first $1,000. Now, one of these community members is my own brother. He's in his 50s, and he never made money outside of his career in his entire life. 29 days later, after starting the side hustle, he was making a full-time income. So if he can do it as someone who's in his
Yeah, I'm calling bullshit again. There's just no way in 29 days his brother made that type of money off just a Google or a YouTube video. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, he's telling you to pick a niche. His analogy in the video is correct. I get it. He says like during the gold rush, which if you watch the video, you'll understand what I mean. The guy who made the money wasn't the guy out digging the gold. It was the guy who was selling him the shovel or the pick to help him dig the gold. That's just biz, basic business 101. I mean, 35 years of doing this. That's what I've told everybody who's wanting to start a business. You know, is the business okay feasible? One, can it make money? And are you selling? What are you selling? Like this guy, in the analogy of the gold rush makes 100% sense, because if you have the tool that everybody needs, yes, your video is going to go viral. It's possibility of going viral. Well, in today's AI world, what video are you going to come up with that makes you go viral in 29 days to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? It's just not going to happen. Let's see. I look in my notes so I don't just wander off too aimlessly. Yeah. So in the video, he gives you the prompt on what to put into Claude, for Claude can generate, you know, your scripts and stuff like that, and what you need to do and what your script should be. And you don't need Claude. You don't need his prompt to do that. You can basically have Claude. You just ask Claude, hey, I want to make a video on this. What do I do? What do you suggest? You don't even need, I mean, and of course, he's trying to direct you to his classes, which are free, but then they get you to try and buy stuff, which is like everybody else. So the verdict on this is, it's a D. It's a risky D because it doesn't give you a realistic time frame to make the money. So we'll go over to the video. I mean, you can run the audit yourself and you'll see, from scratch, realistic AdSense, 1,000, 4,000. We know that 6 to 18 months. We got that. Realistically, yeah, 12 to 24 months before you actually start making any money. His claim that 29 days is just wrong. And that's why I got a D. Um, Startup cost is not much. I mean, obviously, Claude's going to be $20. If you want the pro plan, I think it's 100 a month. Um, no, yeah, I just don't. This one just is another one of those big red flags. The concept of his idea is not wrong. I mean, that's why I didn't get an F. You can do it. Okay. It's again like all these gurus and everyone that I've audited so far comes back to the same damn thing, is they're unrealistic time frames, unrealistic time to recover your money. That's just blown smoke. Now I can't grade them because they're trying to sell a course. Naturally, they all are. You know, I'm not doing it. I was trying to, say I'd audit something for you guys for $24 or $27 or whatever it was. I took that off. I don't do that anymore, simply because I felt like I was starting to become like these gurus. I made the channel to give you guys the common sense to look at this, look at these gurus' ideas and come up with a game plan. Yes, you can make money on YouTube. I'm hoping to one day to make money, but you can't expect 29 days unless you're filming. And I love using the analogy of the unicorn running through the woods, or you capture Bigfoot. You're just not going to get it there. So, anyways, as usual, if you want to go ahead and run your own audit, makemoneyaudit.com. You put the YouTube URL, copy the transcript, and hit the run. You go ahead and do this, you get your report. I always recommend you download it, because the minute you run another audit, this is gone. You can share it with somebody. I mean, and then I still have my, you know, the newsletter, but I'm probably going to remove that also. I think I said that in the last video, but I just haven't had the time. I just don't see the need to do that for you guys. I just don't see the need for me to spend more time doing it. But anyways, this video, fastest guide to an AI side hustle to your first 1,000. Idea is solid. Not going to blame Shane on that one. He's used his brother multiple times on the different videos as an example. Plus the same lady, I think he's used her too. He's not giving you any new information. He's basically redoing some same old crap, trying to make it look new. The old expression, you can put lipstick on a pig, but it's still a pig. So this one is a flat D, very risky for the time frame, not the concept, but the time frame to make your money. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, help the channel grow. And then look forward to the next video.